Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn about what is WordPress post and how to create a WordPress post. So let's begin by signing in to our WordPress website, which is finestbee.com/www-admin. Login, and here we are logged into our dashboard. So here you can see under Ocean WP option I have the post tab available. Okay, so by hovering on this tab you can see all of these four options like all posts, add new post, categories and tags. So let's discuss this a little bit here. What are categories? So categories are for the categorization of the post that you want to separate from others. Like if you have a category of WordPress development, then you create and name it after WordPress development, and it will be your category, and you will assign that category to the post that you want to include in that category. And same you can use for the tag. Okay, so let's go to the all post option. This option shows us all the status of our all posts. Like here you can see I have total number of 10 posts, and about 9 is published from which, and 1 is in draft, and last option is the corner store content. We will explore this later on. Okay, so here you can see this one is the draft one. After the title of the post you can see a black tag is present, which is representing the draft. Okay, so this post is in draft mode. And here under author tab you can see it's written by admin, which is a user, and under categorize tab it's gets uncategorized. So when I will categorize this post of mine, it will be looks like this, like WordPress developer is a category this post belongs to. Okay, and right for the tag yet not assigned to this post, which is draft one, but assigned to the published one, like this one. What is SEO and digital marketing? So SEO is a tag, and search engine optimization SEO is a category. Okay, and after that this is the date on which this post is modified. Like this post was last modified on 22 May 2024 at 3:10 p.m. and this post was published on 28 January 2024 at 6:38 am. Okay, and if you want to delete the post, you just have to check that post checkbox like this, and under this bulk option you can click it and move it to trash. Okay, when you move it to trash and hit apply, then it will appear on the trash option, which is not present yet on here. Let's first of all let's explore how to create a new blog post or article or just post from your WordPress post option. Okay, so here you can see there is a add new post option. You just have to click on it and it will redirect you to the page where you will be able to write your new post. Okay, as you can see it's the tab mentioning add new post. Okay, so here you have to add the title of the post. So this is just a dummy post. I will make sure to unvisible it for this search engine at the moment. Okay, so here I am going to add the title of the post, which is looks like how to add a new post in WordPress. Okay, so this is my title. Now I want to write the content. Blog post for our WordPress website by clicking the post option, the WordPress dashboard. So this is our short description or a short post, and this is our title. Also we can add multiple elements over here, like if you want to stylize your content, I want to bold my WordPress I have just selected it and hit the B, or there are also, as you know, the shortcut of this, which is Control B. Okay, Control I and Control U, these are the universal styling option you can use anywhere in the text editor. Okay, this was the text block. Okay, so here you can see type to choose a block. So here a plus icon which displays add block. By opening it, you just have to click on it and it will represent and it will display all the options that you can drag and drop to your blog post or article. Okay, so I'm going to bring an image on my post by mentioning image. These are the options that it displays, like site logo, featured image, cover image, gallery, media and text. So I am just going for the image. I've clicked on image. Now it says that upload image or from explore the media library. I am going for the media library. From here I just let's go with this. Okay, so here I have entered my image on my article. There are multiple widgets and options that you can use in your article, like heading, image, paragraph, gallery, list, keywords. Okay, so now I'm going to save it, but saving it as a draft. Okay, so now I'm going to categorize it by this post. As you can see, categorize, it's checked on uncategorized. You can delete uncategorized category from your category section that I have shown you in the beginning of the video. So here as it displays add new category. So it is WordPress web development company related to WordPress developer. So I'm going to make it in this category, WordPress developer. So I checked on it. Now I want to add the tag. Just I am adding the tag of WordPress. And what is excerpt? So as you can see and as you know that WordPress has two options to upload your content and publish your content. Okay, first of one which is WordPress pages and another one is WordPress post. So here we are talking about WordPress post. So excerpt is the description or short description, or also you can see you can say it meta description, which you will be seen on your archive page or blog archive page. Like, let me take you to the front end of my site. So here's blogs page of my website, which is also called archive page. Okay, so here you can see this is an excerpt, this is an excerpt, this is an excerpt. Okay, so these all are the excerpts. These are the short descriptions that makes the users to click and read your post or article. Okay, so I'm going to make it a description for the archive page, and it's dynamic. Okay, it's not static. Post is dynamic in WordPress and pages are static. Also you can add your featured image, which will be displaying also on the archive page of the WordPress article or blog page. Like this one, this is a featured image. You can just click on featured image and select your featured image, got it, and then I have already entered tag, categorization, and I think it's done. Okay, so if you are the author of admin but you want to change into the another user, which is in my case displaying Amar, but I'm just going with the admin. Okay, you can change it from here. So as you can see, visibility is public, but yet I have not published it. Okay, so I don't know why is it displaying visibility public. So I'm just going to make it private or password protected visible to everyone. Okay, sorry, I have just saved it as a draft but didn't make it published, but it is controllable. Like if you want to private your WordPress post, you can just do it by clicking on this private option, or make it password protected by clicking on this password protected. It will be appear a field right underneath this option where you can select a password. Okay, but I'm just going with the public one. So okay, that's all. And Now I am going to update it, update or publish it. There are these both two options, but update is just for the content which is published. Got it? So let's go to the post and see what it looks like. Okay, so here are our WordPress posts. So this one is our text, and this one is our image, and this one is our title, this one is our text of the blog post, and this is an image that we have entered on our blog post. Okay, so now we have brought this article, and now we want to delete it or make it draft. Okay, here you can see it's not in the draft like this, which is displaying the draft option. So it's published. Okay, like this, as you can see, it displays published, and the draft one displays last modified. Where you can now, if you want to change the URL of your blog post, you can do that by the page which we were tried for this, but from here you can do that too. Okay, by clicking on quick edit, and here is the title of the post, or the title that will appear on your tab, browser tab, and this is the slug which is automatic generated by the title of the WordPress post. Okay, and that's all the options that you have seen on the post editing option. Got it? Now just hit enter if you have made any changes on here. Okay, update. And if I want to make it delete, just have to check on this, and bulk actions, move to trash, hit apply, and it's done. Here you can see the trash option was not present before, but now it is. Okay, so on clicking trash, here you can see we have just deleted our newly created post, which is how to add a new post in WordPress. Got it? But it's yet backed up in our trash option. If I want to delete it permanently from my site, I just can do it by clicking on delete permanently, or make it restored by clicking on restore. Okay, so that's all for the post. Hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Ready to get your website? Get cured from finestbee.com. Here's our WhatsApp number. You can contact on this too. Thanks for watching.